Welcome back to Jaquana and Saquana. As you can see, Jaquana or Saquana is not here. I'm Kasi, the nephew of Jaquana and Saquana, and I'm going to be taking over the blog for the day. So I'm actually with Saquana now. Say hey, Saquana.
Hey.
We're going to go to Walmart to get some groceries. Which one of y'all going to cook on the grill? You are. Saquana's gonna cook on the grill later on after we get back from the activities for the day. You know, she thinks she sous chef, so.
Chef girl RB.
So we're gonna go do some grocery shopping, and we got a boat ride today, right?
Yeah.
And I guess we'll probably go to the beach later on after the boat ride. It's supposed to rain. Hopefully it doesn't. But... Ready?
Yeah.
Let's ride, Clyde.
Beach palm trees.
Walmart doing our grocery shopping. I'm checking off the list as we go. Saquana is doing her duties, picking out the groceries. She's doing her duties picking out the groceries. The what's those, onions? I'm taking them off the list. We only checked 2 things off, and we still got a whole list to go. So we're almost done with our list. A couple more stuff to get, but we're almost done, and we'll be out of here.
Some chips.
I'm hungry. My stomach is in my back. Am I the only one that really don't like grocery shopping? Like, I know
Part should be down there. So
I'm gonna have to grocery shop, but I really don't like grocery shopping. It's time consuming, and I don't know, I like to pick up extra stuff when I go grocery shopping. Look at Saquana trying to get her drink on.
Have you had this one? This one?
No, I ain't never had that one.
Funny with this, I need something sweet.
I want everybody to go and comment their favorite wine in the comment. So when I go and look at y'all comments and reviews, I'm gonna go and taste the wines that y'all put on in the comments. But
I'm gonna stick with
if y'all want some recommendations as of right now, this is a good wine. It's a cupcake. This one's a good one as well. There's another one. This is a good one as well. It's a good wine. There's some other ones. I don't think Walmart sells them. But yeah, drop y'all's in the comments. So we finally finished grocery shopping. Our list is complete. We got one more stop to go, and then we're going back to the house. If y'all want to know one person to not ride with,
Don't
Saquana.
say it.
Saquana. If you riding with Saquana, you're gonna feel like you're on a roller coaster.
Whatever.
Her turns are wide.
Whatever.
She's a speed demon.
No, I'm not.
Do not ride with Saquana and Jaquana
I
either.
drive safe, especially with precious cargo.
Jaquana's not a good driver either. But Saquana, no.
What?
So B came up with the idea to
mine here.
celebrate my mom's
sister's birthday, which is Katya's mom. Her birthday was on June 9th. And so we're going to celebrate it since we're all together. And we're going to get her a cake and we're going to put happy birthday tea on it.
You think we should get ice cream
No.
with the cake? You don't like ice cream with cake?
You want
No.
cake?
Huh?
You want sugar?
It's 1 o'clock. We're about to get ready to head to the Dolphin ride. Everybody's dressed. Everybody's ready to go. I should do a little fit check for y'all. Actually, I am. Shades of Sheen. Shirt H&M. Waves on Swim. Yeah. When you ready to go? It feels really good out here. I'll show you everybody. Everybody say hey. Come back, legend.
Hey you guys, we made it to Dolphins Down Under. We're going to see the dolphins on the boat. I think this is the kids' first time on the boat. Everybody's getting out the car. Rain, hold up, y'all. The skies look so dark. Not so dark, I won't say that, but it's supposed to rain. So hopefully it holds up. True putting on her little life jacket. True. You putting on a life jacket?
And then just a couple heads up, just making sure.
Dolphins Down Under. That's the boat we're getting on over there.
Gotta get in it. I'm talking about in it. I'm talking about it. Now, Zeddy, you didn't do that when we played the song now. You were just sitting on your phone.
To your left. Oh, jellyfish.
Cassie, did you see the liquid? This afternoon. We'll be taking you on your cruise. Before we get underway, Coast Guard requires me to go over just a few safety items with everyone. All of the...
She'll look uncomfortable. Well, we'll do it again. Look at my... No. Hey, True.
You okay?
Hey, TJ.
Out here for us. I don't want to get anybody seasick, so we're going to probably keep it in the bay. We can spot Dolphin anywhere along on the strip. You guys can try to help me out. If y'all see some dolphin, don't be bashful. Y'all holler out and let me know. We'll definitely go get close. All right, here's Justin. Alrighty, guys. How are y'all doing this afternoon?
Good.
All right, good stuff. Hey, so I'm sure Captain Adam told you guys bringing this clear water in. That being said, you guys don't spend all your time looking down into those holes. Okay.
This amount of jellyfish pretty normal.
Oh yeah, it's getting that time of year.
Okay.
We got a strong tide, so all this incoming tide is difficult to push them like jellyfish.
Yeah.
I imagine they're probably along the beach with that.
Yeah.
Especially when it's a falling tide, they should be carried out.
When I tell y'all this is relaxing, the wind, the breeze is so relaxing. I'm glad the boat is not crowded. Enough room to walk around, enjoy, relax.
I told you I seen one earlier.
I see it.
What's wrong?
True, like, what y'all got me out here doing? True, what they got you doing, True?
We got a little wave.
So much fun and relaxing. We made it back to the docks, and it is raining. Rain soon it parts, so we was able to get out. They rained a little bit, but not really hard. But now it's raining hard. So we're walking back to the car. We had a good time. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
I'm back. We just got off the boat ride. We are at ACME Oyster House for lunch. It's hot. The boat ride got me a little tired. I want to need a little nap after I eat. Is it just me? But we eat. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna eat. I don't know. I'm hungry. It's my first time eating today. 4:18. It's hot. Say hey, girl.
Hey.
Oh, we know. We ate it all.
I'll bring as much bread as you want. Yeah.
And we need some more plates and the plastic forks.
You a big guy.
Yes. Plate,
Oh, yeah,
plastic
plates and
fork,
plastic
and bread.
Okay.
Right in the same. So you want to come take it? You want some of this?
Why?
Your boy be eating good. I hope it's good. It looks good. About to see.
Hey, you guys, we made it back from eating earlier. We're about to go to the beach. Came back to the Airbnb to change clothes. And we're about to head to the beach, let the kids play around for a couple hours. And then we come back, and then depending on how everybody feel, they may not be too hungry. They may be hungry because out there in that sun may be, drain you. If everybody hungry, I'm going to throw some burgers on the grill. Jaquana going to do some chicken kebabs and corn on the cob and some chips and hot dogs for the kids. So yeah, we about to head to the beach.
Oh, okay. You got it.
To the beach we go. Let's go. We're gonna go to the beach. We made it to the beach, you guys. The kids, look. Go ahead on. We made it to the beach, you guys. The kids are excited. We came in the evening time. Sun ain't shining. It's beautiful still. Walking in the sand. Ugh.
Before I get too sweaty. Hi vlog. We at Orange Beach Family Vacay 2025.
Gulf Shores.
Oh God. That's what y'all been saying Orange Beach the whole.
It was earlier. We was at over beach with the boat ride. Why? Oh, that's head. It flew over our head. No respect.
Hey, man.
Yo, it feels so good out here. I'm so glad that the weather, it was supposed to rain. It did earlier a little bit. Good thing it didn't storm like it said it was going to storm. And it feels so good out here. The sun is going down. The family is enjoying themselves. Couldn't ask for anything else better than being with the family. Huh? All right.
Cause she can't do it ain't her own time and stuff. She gotta be taken care of.
Look at the beautiful sunset. Child, we done made it back to the Airbnb from the beach. The beach is so messy, all that sand. But the kids really enjoyed themselves. That's what it's really all about. We all enjoyed ourselves out there. And came back home. I don't took my shower. They in the shower, in the process of doing that right now. I'm taking showers and stuff. The plan was for me to grill some burgers and hot dogs, but it's 9 o'clock now. I think actually 9:10. So our plan is to do that tomorrow for lunchtime. I don't know if I'm gonna grill them now. It might be hot out there, or just put them in the oven. But we'll have that for lunchtime tomorrow, and then we go like find like arcades and stuff for the kids to have something to do tomorrow, and then go out to eat and chill. Come back and chill. But after we get settled in right now, we're gonna sing happy birthday to T, give her a cake, and have some wine. Yay! She don't even know about the cake. It's in the refrigerator. She's seen the stuff in the refrigerator, but she ain't paying no attention to the cake. So we ain't say nothing. Just gonna let it be a surprise now. Catch y'all later. Our bartender.
Go get Auntie and what? Just tell Auntie and Jerry to come here.
Who is that?
Happy birthday to you!
My wish.
Okay.